Paggamit na lang po ng mic dun sa... Thank you.
And ayun po, yung hindi ko pa talaga in-expect na makukuha ko po yung rookie kasi nga po, since wala po talaga sa isip ko na makukuha ko po yun. And ayun po, nakabukas lang po talaga ako sa team and sa makontribute ko sa team po. Ayun.
Thank you, and to the three-time MVP, Josh Ibanez. Congratulations. Again, you've said it naman kanina, like everything you have to say about winning the MVP. But siguro, ano lang siguro yung, kumbaga yung bigat siguro, yung bearing netong pangatlong MVP mo. Siguro as compared to the first two.
Actually, I really didn't take it as something na makakapagpa-pressure sa akin. Instead, it's a motivation for me. It's a confidence boost to do better and to lead the team kung ano pang magagawa ko next year. As what I have told nung mga previous interview ko na it is not my goal. Meron kaming team goal and that's what I'm chasing for. Hindi yung pag-MVP. Bonus na lang to kung binigay sa akin na God. Thank you God, I'm grateful for this. Pero alam niyo naman talaga yung pinaka-goal ko dito sa UAB.
Okay, sige. Questions? Team tayo sa harap.
Ayun po, siguro po para sa next season po na maboost yung confidence ko and marami akong natutunan ngayong season po. Ayun.
George, kanina nga announcement na you'll be returning for 1 more year for UST. Ano lang naging main factor or decision or reason kung ba't ka mag-stay pa ng isang taon sa UST?
Honestly, I think it's the love I have for my school na it's my way of paying back or giving back to my community. So ayun lang iniisip ko na I am so grateful na napunta ako sa UST. So why not laruin ko pa ang pinakahuli kong chance na ipaglaban and maglaro para for the university.
Josh, siguro what's the main goal na lang playing that final? Yung pinaka-goal?
Personally, ang pinaka-goal ko lang talaga is to perform at my best every game and of course to lead my teammates, to be an inspiration sa mga younger teammates ko. And ayun, I hope na mas ma-mold ako, mas maging better athlete ako, mas maging better leader ako next year para ma-lead ko yung mga teammates ko. And ayun, yun lang yung pinaka-goal ko talaga.
Richard, siguro, ano lang, winning rookie of the year, ano lang masabi sa future ng Adamson Soaring Volleyball?
Ayun po, sa men's volleyball, siguro po patuloy po kaming lalaban sa next season po. Ayun.
Okay, any more? Okay na?
Thank you so much.